The murder trial of Tob Cohen has officially begun, with the first witness testifying at his residence in Kitisuru, Nairobi. The court session, held away from the cameras, was conducted under tight security as the witness is currently under protection. This hearing follows a High Court ruling in February which dismissed an application to release the main suspect, Sarah Cohen, on bond until two key witnesses have testified. Gatete Njoroge reports.
At the start of the trial before Lady Justice Diana Mochache, the prosecution team led by Senior Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions, Gikui Gishuhi, the state made its case, telling the court that it has gathered evidence which it will rely on to prove to the court that this was a premeditated murder. The prosecution says the evidence in their possession will point to the main suspect, Sarah Cohen.
This case is based on circumstantial evidence.
In her response to the prosecution, Cohen, through her lawyer, said at an appropriate time they will challenge the manner in which the case was reopened after it was withdrawn in 2022 and former DPP Nordin Haji requested the court to order a public inquest. She further argues that she is certain there will be no evidence to suggest she committed the crime.
We cannot separate this trial from the initial criminal case 60 of 2019 and from the inquest. All these facts must flow together. We shall be able to demonstrate that this is not a fresh suit. This is not a fresh trial.
The session at Kibera Law Courts, attended by the late Cohen's family, was adjourned. The trial later continued in Kitisuru, where the first witness, who is under protection, gave his testimony. The court session taking place where the remains of Dutch tycoon Tob Cohen were found on September 13, 2019. His body was discovered 54 days after he went missing, buried inside a septic tank on his property. Cohen's last known sighting was on July 19, 2019, weeks before police began investigating his disappearance. During the investigation, authorities questioned those close to him in his final days. The subsequent murder trial reached a turning point in November 2022 when then DPP Nordin Haji withdrew charges against his widow Sarah Cohen and co-suspect Peter Karanja. Haji informed the court that he was entering a nolle prosequi, referring the case to an inquest due to significant contradictions that had marred the proceedings. Gatete Njoroge, Citizen TV, Nairobi.